32-24.
32-24.
Now jersey number 11. Back to 91.
Suba.
Back to 11. To 20. Out of bounds. Turnover. Now jersey number 6. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8. Offensive foul. Itawagin. Jersey number 29. There's a whistle.
Gila nga, isa dua isa. Okay. Parang may ganito lang. Pwede may mo, pulo ko pa rin.
Oh, 1 out of 2, 25, 32.
5-32. Favor of Tabuk Subak.
Now jersey number, dribbling the ball. The screen by jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 13. Foul, basket count.
No good.
Bishama Batsi, 34-25. 3-point pass. Bam! 3 points.
Eddie Ocampo. 34-28.
Now jersey number 18. 3-point pass. Bam!
Carlos Man.
Carlos Man.
37-28.
Balik sa Bishama Batsi, 37-28. Another 3 points. Bam! Back to back, 3 points.
Bola ng 3. 37.
Another 3 points. No good. Rebound by 21. 37-31. No Mabatsi. Jersey number 21 to 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to 29. There is the time. Campus.
30 seconds.
Why didn't do one? Rebound by jersey number 18. Now jersey number 18. Attacking the basket. Traveling violation. Now jersey 91, pass to the middle. Back to 91, deflected steal, out of bounds. Now jersey number 29, pass to 91. Out of bounds, another. Pass to jersey number 18. Back to 8, the jersey number 6. 8 man, dual na 8. Long 2 points, no good. Play ball. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 8 off the glass, 2 points. 39-31.
39-31.
Now jersey number 11. Harassed by jersey number 8. There is a whistle. 5 minutes. Now jersey 91 to 21. Attacking the basket, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 18. Nice pass to jersey number 8. Nanlugi na ilan. Rebound by 21. Now jersey number 21 to jersey number 21. No good. Rebound taken by jersey 13. Deflected by jersey number 21. Still, there is a bang! 3
3
points.
points by Sabino. By Sabino. Back-to-back 3 by Sabino.
O duwa na lang. 6 pass to jersey number 18. Now he's dribbling the ball.
37-39.
By jersey number 13.
Suba.
Pass to jersey number 8. Deflected. Back to 18. 10 to shoot. Pass break. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look back to pass. Jersey number 18. Dribbling the ball.
Kanogon.
Drop pass to jersey number 20. No good. Rebound taken by 26. 3 minutes. Jersey number 21. Pass to 18. And 3 points. No good. There is a whistle. That is your first personal foul. Jersey number 18. Screen by jersey number 8. Play ball. Walis.
39 all.
Walis na. Second set off. Now jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 6. 2 minutes. There is a whistle. 5.
Oras. Lugod.
1 out of 2.
1 out of 2. 40-39.
1 point naman si jersey number 26. Pass to 18. 10 to shoot. 3-point fire is no good. Ball taken by jersey number 26. Side step. Ball down the last 2 points. Stay ball na. 41-40. Avansin na Taytay. 1 minute and 20 remaining time. Jersey number 18. There is a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 18. Screen by jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 6. Fade away. No good. 1 minute and 5. Now jersey number 27. Dribbling the ball. 1 minute. Deflected. Nakuha jersey number 26. Attacking the basket, 10 to shoot, pull-up, jumper, no good, 15 seconds. Ball taken by jersey number 18, deflected from behind, nakuha
Mesias.
jersey number 18, pull-up, jumper, off the last 2 points, 14 seconds. 42-41.
41. Alexa, tabok sa ba?
13 seconds, jersey number 26 to 21, pull-up, jumper, no good. There is a whistle. 20 segundos, reset shot clock to 14. Jersey number 27. The double foul. Jersey number 21, for Taytay. And jersey number 13, for Tabuk Suba. Jersey 20 seconds, 2 points. 15 seconds.
43-42.
10 seconds. Jersey number 18 to jersey number 6. 3-point fires.
3 points
5
by
seconds.
Toras. 5 seconds.
The basket dalaga na tayo. Counted.
Score.
45-43. Nagbalik naman sa Tabuk Suba. 2 points.
Score of Tabok sa ba?
End of third quarter.